Hello everyone, I'm Hugo from TechCornerTV and I just made a small pause in video recording to wish the channel sponsor PCBWay an awesome 6th anniversary, and I wish them the biggest success. For me, PCBWay was always the #1 resource to use when I need to create a professional, factory-made PCB. It's easy, very cheap, and with a lot of quality. To commemorate their anniversary, they're having 50% discounts on the gift shop and a lot of coupons that you can use from $5 to $200. This among other goodies, so grab these coupons for your next projects. That's it for today. Thank you to our sponsor PCBWay for their support that allow me to continue to create these videos. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you in my next video.